Hola, this video is about verbs that are similar to gusta, to like. So when we've done gusta, you've seen that instead of saying like yo gusta, it's always me gusta, and gusta is one of those verbs that use special pronouns. There's going to be some other verbs like that in Spanish, which I have this list right here, which I'll go into in more detail. But when I said gusta uses with special pronouns, instead of having like yo, we have me. Instead of having tú, we have te. Instead of él, ella, usted, it's le. Nosotros, nos. Vosotros, os. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, les. Also, the ending of a word, gusta, can add an N to it when the item is plural. So for instance, here if I have queda, to fit, I can have queda or quedad, depending if the item is plural. If something is important to me, I can have me importa or me importan. If, let's say, something is plural. With being important, let's say, for instance, eating healthy is important to me, so I would say me importa comer bien. That would be importa, no N, because eating healthy is one thing. But for instance, if I said me importan grades are plural, so then I'd say me importan las notas with an N because that's plural. Before these pronouns, I can also start with phrases like a me. It's like if I want to, and you add this if you want to emphasize a person's name or clarify that like it is me. So I could say a mí me gusta mi suéter. Or with you, I could say like a ti te gusta. This happens a lot with the he and she. If I want to clarify if it's him or her, I'd say a él le gusta or a ella le gusta or a usted le gusta. There's a nosotros nos gusta, a vosotros os gusta. And same thing if I want to clarify if it's a ellos les gusta, a ellas les gusta. And also I could put a name in there like a los chicos les gusta or a mi madre le gusta as well. And these pronouns, where it's like a plus me, those are technically called prepositional pronouns. So what this video is going to do, other than just now reviewing gusta, is all these other verbs are going to be conjugated in the exact same pattern as gusta, with these different pronouns and having the N on the end when it's plural. So I wrote a story about how I went mask shopping over the weekend, and I'm going to use all of these verbs and then point out what they mean. So I said, muchas de mis mascarillas, una mascarilla, no son cómodas. They are not very comfortable. Me faltan mascarillas bonitas. So when I said me faltan, I am literally saying pretty masks are lacking to me. So since mascarillas is plural, I had to make faltan end with an N. También, a todos les molestan las mascarillas con elásticos pequeños. For instance, this mascarilla has an elástico pequeño, since it does not stretch very much. Here I said les before molestan because I'm saying everyone, so that would be les. Molestan ends in N because masks end in N. El domingo yo fui de compras. Me importa tener más mascarillas. So I'm saying to me it is important to have more masks. So I said importa means to be important, molestan, bothers, faltan, to be lacking. Or like it's a fault that I have that I need them. En la tienda me parecen baratas unas mascarillas 2 por $4. Parecen means seem, so I'm saying to me, seem cheap, some masks. So since masks are plural, parecen here ends in N because the masks seem to me. Es una ganga, it's a deal. También compro unos leggings por $12. Cuando pago, tengo una tarjeta de regalo, a gift card, con $7 Pero todavía me falta pagar $9 más. Here, me falta means it is lacking to me to pay $9 more, since it wasn't covered on my gift card. Por fin, en mi casa, puedo probar las mascarillas. Probar is to try on. So after my story, here's the mask that I bought. La mascarilla azul me queda muy bien. This one fits me well. Me queda bien. I could also, so I know bien's not on your vocab list, but you can say it fits me well. Me queda bien. Queda is singular because it's just one mask that fits well. Or I said, pero me queda grande la mascarilla verde. The other mask I bought, me queda grande. It's just like all this room. And queda is singular because it's just one mask. Finally, I said, me encanta la mascarilla azul. Encanta does not end in N because mascarilla is singular. So I know the story had a lot of examples with I fit, I love, I am lacking with the me. Once again, all these verbs are going to use the exact same pronouns as Gusta, so you could have te, le, nos, os, and lace with all of these other verbs.